Hey everyone, welcome back. Bruce with DIY Homestead Projects. Today I have a portable camp stove or grill. It doubles as a grill by a company named Lifedoo. They've sent me this portable fire pit for review, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. It weighs about 20 pounds, but it does pack up to a pretty small package. I think it's about 1.5 inches, 14 inches by 20 in the box that it comes in. And I'll show you what it comes with, and then we'll put it together. Later in the video, I'll show you a modification that I've made to the grill. One thing that's pretty cool about this company is they encourage input from the end consumer, and then they've made changes to the fire pit to suit your needs better. They encourage that, and basically the user is the designer. So that's a pretty cool feature of this particular stove. On the back of the box, they've included a bunch of the bad reviews that they've got on the stove, and then they've made changes accordingly. So let's open up the box. Now I have had this open because I assembled the stove and had a look at it, and then, or the fire pit, and then I've made a small modification myself. Maybe it'll be something that Lifedoo wants to have a look at on a future design change. I think this is the second design change of this particular portable fire pit slash grill. It's actually pretty nice. One thing that they've done is included a carrying bag. Pretty nice canvas carrying bag. So once you finish using the stove, it folds up pretty flat. Throw it in this bag and put that in with your camp gear. Nice portable setup that takes up very little space. So if you're car camping or just camping or tent camping, which is what we intend to use it for, it'll pack up pretty nice. You don't need a lot of room to bring it along. It comes with a couple of grills. One is a cooking grill and the other one is a charcoal grill to keep the charcoal or coals from falling through the bottom of the fire pit. It comes with two sides. And this is, I believe it's 3/32 thickness on the steel. It's pretty stout. It comes with these three metal pieces for holding the grill up. Two sides with a nice Lifedoo logo on the side of it. And there's slots cut in these sides so that you can configure the grill in two configurations. A real wide or a more narrow setup. And then it comes with a nice ash pan to put underneath the stove and keep your coals from getting on whatever surface. If you're on the ground, it'll collect the ashes in this pan. Potentially some embers as well as the coals burn down and get smaller. Push those sides in tight, and then the two tabs slide down in there. So that's what the stove looks like, or the fire pit, once you've got the basic assembly. And then as you see here, I've got those little modification slots that I put in there, and these cross pieces can go in many different configurations. If you wanted to put your coffee pot over here on the side, you could do it like that and still feed your fire, move coals. So there's a lot of different options as to how you can actually set this up. Whatever fits your personal needs. So I'll set it up and we'll show you what it looks like in the wide configuration and how that looks. So you can see you have quite a bit more space on each side of the grill. And again, you can still slide that over, get to your coals. It's held within those slots so it won't go anywhere if you've got that full of your food laid out on there. But in the wide configuration, The way I've modified it, if you put these cross pieces in there, you can see it still sits too high, and it can slide and it won't catch on those little grooves. So for this setup, you need these cross pieces to sit down about 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch lower, so this would grab. If you're taking a spatula to turn your food over, you could slide this right off the grill and end up with your food in the dirt if you weren't careful. So what's a portable fire pit or grill review if you don't actually cook something with it? So we set this up in the backyard, had some friends over, and decided to cook up some brats. We cooked up 2 packages, so we had a total of 10 brats on the grill, and we're just cooking over charcoal, as you can see. The grill works really well. It was easy to set up, easy to use, and it's just like cooking on a campfire. You control the heat by moving the coals around or where you place the food on the tray. You can see the ash pan working well there, keeping all the ashes that fall through the grill right in one location. I did notice that the Lifedoo Portable Fire Pit / grill has real good ventilation and seemed to get real hot right there in the center directly above the coals. The slots I cut into the sides to hold the grill in place worked out really well, and I did not use the cross members for this particular setup. If you have any interest in the Lifedoo Portable Fire Pit / grill or car camping grill, I'll leave a link to the Lifedoo website in the description, as well as a promo code for 10% off of your order. Big thank you to Lifedoo for sending out the portable car camping fire pit. My impression is it's a nice product and it should make somebody a real nice car camping setup. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next video.